Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to replace the screen of Oppo Find X. So we got a phone with the front screen smashed, also the back glass is smashed. So what we are going to do is to replace a new screen and a new back cover. So the screen is like this. This is the new screen, which is a pretty expensive one, and it has only one cable that carries the touch and the display. Also we got the back, brand new back is something like this. So Oppo Find X is one of a really good phone from Oppo, and their functionality and the internal structure is really different and very advanced. So what we do, first we have to start from the back. So what we do, we put some heat on the back glass, not too much heat because internal components are plastic, so you need to go like around 80 Celsius or 70 Celsius, and then you use a spudger and you take the battery cover like this out. I already taken out because I want to make a short video. So once you take it out, it will look like this. So we take the screen out. You don't need to remove everything. If your screen is coming without the frame, that is easy to repair. If it comes with the frame, it's a little bit difficult to repair because you need to take everything from this to the new frame. So I advise you to buy a screen like this, which will be very easy for you. What we do, we remove these screws from these two. Actually you don't need this one to be removed, but we have to remove this one because the battery connector is here. So good procedure is to take off the battery before going ahead with the repair. So what we do, we remove these all 5 screws. I already took other screws out here, and then we take this cover out, and you can see this is the battery. Always use a plastic spudger to take out the battery. So you can take it out like this. I already removed that one. And then you remove all these screws. I have only one screw here because I removed all other screws before. And you put the screws over here. I put the screws over there. And then you take out this part. This part contains the speaker, and I think there is another screw here. Yeah, we have to take this screw out. Then you take it out, and you can see this is the screen connector. You detach it like this, and then what you do, take it the other side, apply the heat on top, carefully, not too much heat because the internal parts can be melt out. And then you put the spudger like this. A razor blade is better, and then you take the screen out. I have already taken the screen out, so it will be easier. So the screen will come out like this. It will be not that easy because I already taken the screen out before to make the video short. There is a huge whole lot of glue around here, so you will have to put heat and take it a little bit up and then put something like this if you want to save the LCD, and then go internally and take the screen out. Now we have to place the new screen back. The new screen goes like this, and then before that you put the glue around, and then you put the screen like this perfectly, and turn around, snap it, snap the battery, test the screen, test the screen. And then you can turn it and see if the screen works fine. Yeah, the screen works fine. And you do the screen test. Screen is working perfectly fine. And then you turn off the device, and put this one back in place, put this one back in place, and put the screws, and you take your new back cover, put the adhesive, and keep it in place. But it normally comes with adhesive already installed, so this adhesive is enough to hold this one up. But if you feel like, you can put some glue around this, but not this area, because this area goes up. There's a mechanism that goes up and the camera coming out, so if you put the glue here, it will not go up. So don't put the glue this area, only this area. Okay, that is the end of this tutorial, and I hope this will help you, and it is very short and easy video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.